Tyla was not exaggerating when she sang, "They never had a pretty girl from Joburg." She is truly owning that crown. With her jaw-dropping beauty and bold style, she is rewriting the rulebook on what it means to be South Africa's ultimate it girl. Tyla's recent Risqué style is giving even the most seasoned fashionistas a run for their money. At the Jacquemus Fall 2025 show during Paris Fashion Week, Tyla made a jaw-dropping entrance that left tongues wagging. She arrived in a daring, sultry black gown with plunging cutouts at the sides, making a very loud statement. The gown she wore was a high-neck sleeveless piece that exposed her sides and hips, with the back elegantly draped like a cape. The gold hardware detail at the center added a touch of sophistication, making the dress not only risque but also chic. Tyla paired the gown with Jacquemus's signature cubisto pointed toe leather slingback heels, which were adorned with a cute bow at the toe. She completed the look with oversized crystal-striped hoop earrings that added just the right amount of sparkle to her ensemble. She styled her voluminous curly raven locks into a sleek chic updo. Sitting front row at the show, Tyla looked radiant while seated next to none other than fashion icon Anna Wintour herself. Tyla has made daring cutout gowns a signature style over the past year. In October last year, she wowed at the Victoria's Secret fashion show in a pink gown that featured bold cutouts across her chest and torso. Her 2024 Grammy look was also a nod to skin-bearing glam, with a touch of bling to balance out the daring silhouette. At the Jacquemus fashion show, we also had Pamela Anderson, who kept it effortlessly chic, wearing a modest all-white ensemble and her signature no-makeup look. Singer Ray also made quite a statement in a polka dot dress complete with sunglasses. Now, before we go, we want to know from you if you like Tyla's bold fashion choice. Share your thoughts in the comments and be sure to subscribe to Shosha for more updates from Paris Fashion Week.